So thanks for clicking. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to take you through the story of Customer Thermometer, how it can really help your business, and some of the features alongside it, and hopefully give you enough information to want to go and test it out for yourselves. We've been in business since 2010, helping customers all over the world and solving this problem. Nobody has got time for surveys anymore. We're all consumers, we're all busy, and we're all being bombarded with requests for feedback from the smallest of interactions. I'm sure you're familiar with the 10 or 20 question survey after a small interaction. You'll also be familiar with the click here to complete the survey, it will only take you 5 minutes link. If you're like any normal consumer, unless you're particularly unhappy about something, you're more likely to delete those emails than you are to click those links and go through the pain of filling in those surveys. Customer Thermometer solves that problem, and we've been providing our customers with the ability to ask for feedback in any type of email with just a single click. The surveys are visual, our customers love them, and we know that because of the response rates that we get, and you'll find out more about that towards the end of this presentation. You'll see from the screen we have 4 different response types. Gold and green indicate a happy customer, yellow and red indicate a disappointed customer. We do not offer a middle ground. We do not offer the average button or the 5 out of 10 button. And the reason for that is because it tells you, our customer, absolutely nothing about the interaction. By providing a 4-point scale, you are forcing your customers to either be happy or disappointed, which means you can do something with that information, whether it be following up or rewarding your staff. Note too, those icons can be anything you wish. You can brand them, you can customize them, or you can use the ones from our library too. We're incredibly proud of our customer list. From 2010 onwards, we've been winning business with Fortune 500 customers around the world, but we also have hundreds and hundreds of small businesses too who rely on the service every single day to get their feedback. And the reason we have such a wide range of customers is because of the flexibility of the service. You can use Customer Thermometer in lots of different ways. Let's explore that now. Our first mode of operation then is embedded thermometers. And this is where our customers create their buttons and they add them to third-party application workflows. So let's take an example. If you run a help desk system and you want to get feedback on how an agent has done answering that ticket, you can embed our buttons when the ticket has been closed or even during ticket threads, simply by grabbing a little bit of HTML code from the Customer Thermometer application and pasting it into the relevant part of that third party. We work with over 40 different third-party providers, help desk systems, CRM systems, email systems. If you can't find what you're looking for, get in touch and the chances are we'll be able to bring your system into Customer Thermometer incredibly quickly. So embedded thermometers are a great way to get transactional feedback and also a great way to avoid sending additional emails. So you can actually add buttons as part of existing workflows, which means you're not annoying your customers. To get more ad hoc feedback, you can use our Outlook or Gmail signatures. This is where customers add our buttons to signatures across their organization or within their department, so they can get that ad hoc feedback whenever they choose to send an email with that signature attached. You could choose that to be your default signature, or as many customers do, choose to switch it in for relevant emails or when talking to relevant people. We also have other options to help you roll this out consistently across an entire organization. Our third mode of operation we call email thermometers, and this is great for regular pulse checking, finding out how stakeholders are feeling within a customer's business. To make this happen, customers come into their Customer Thermometer account, they create the template that you see on screen, they brand it for their business. They then upload their list of contacts and associated data and send out the blast from their Customer Thermometer account. So no third-party software is needed. In addition, you can also trigger email thermometers using our API to make more of an automated process. Our fourth mode of operation we call tablet thermometers. This is where we place our feedback buttons onto devices, whether it be iOS or Android, which works brilliantly around office campuses, around events, and even on the move. You can see some examples on screen. These are all built bespokely and feed directly into your Customer Thermometer account. Do note that all 4 modes of operation can be used at the same time, each feeding into different reports within your account. So let's have a look at what it feels like then from an end user or a recipient's perspective. Whenever they click or tap on an icon, they are then immediately taken to a customized branded landing page, acknowledging their response. And the thing I must stress here is when they do click that response, they are not being taken to a survey, that was the survey. So the second that response has been clicked or tapped, that response will be recorded in your account. As you can see, there's also the option to ask that recipient for an additional comment. It's optional for the recipient, they don't have to leave that comment, their response will still be recorded. It's also optional for you as our customer whether you ask for that comment. You might only be interested in comments for perhaps yellow and red responses. Disappointed customers need to give you more information, ask them for a comment. You'll also notice you can add social media icons and adverts and link back to your site as well. Our landing pages are also responsive, as you would expect, with so many people responding on mobile devices. So it's simple for your recipient. What does it look like to you as our customer? Customer Thermometer is software as a service, so you can log into your account from wherever you are in the world. And the first thing you'll see when you log in is your aggregated reporting dashboard. So this contains the statistics for your account for a particular time period. Each thermometer that you create has its own set of results, but on the main dashboard, this is an aggregate view of everything which is going on in real time. You can then drill down onto specific reports. So if you have an Outlook signature for your sales team, you might want to see how they're doing. If you have a tablet thermometer in your foyer, you can look at that separately too. In addition, within each individual blast report, you can also take a look at the individual responses, and where you're capturing email addresses and first names and surnames and agent names and all the other information you might want to record against a particular response, you can see all of that within your account. You can also see any comments left as well. The other thing you might want to do is to trigger email or iOS alerts when a particular response has been recorded. This is particularly good for perhaps red alerts. You have an unhappy customer, make sure that gets routed immediately to a manager so that they can deal with the problem. Imagine how your end customer would feel if they hit a red light and got a call back from somebody senior within your business within an hour. That is how Customer Thermometer can really change businesses. There's plenty of other reporting types within your account, including comment analysis. You can run league tables based on how your agents are performing, and we've got some brilliant case studies on our customers who are bonusing and incentivizing their staff based on their own customer ratings. You're able to publish your results externally via our widgets or using our API. We even have the ability to block internal responses or overcome overzealous virus checkers using our click blocker technology. A final point to leave you with if you are a bigger business, if you wanted to take multiple accounts for autonomous usage within departments and have that master dashboard view as well, or perhaps some bespoke reporting, that is something we offer in our Enterprise Edition. Again, drop us a line and we can help you out with that. There are plenty more features inside Customer Thermometer, but I'd encourage you at this point to take a trial, test us out, make it work for your business, figure out what it is you're really looking to fix or report on or manage, and set up Customer Thermometer for you. We can help you. Our Ministry of Magic team is standing by if you need any help. The final thing I'd like to leave you with is a word on our response rates. It's one of the reasons so many customers turn to us, and I think it's probably best I let our customers do some of the talking here. You'll see the stats on screen. I hope you've enjoyed this short demo. If you need more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch. And don't forget, you can sign up for a trial below.